There is a hidden bottleneck in almost every online business. It's not traffic, it's not product, and it's not even sales. It's documentation. Every time you go to delegate something, onboard someone, sell a service, or hand off work, you have to explain your process. And most founders do it the worst possible way. We either rewrite it from scratch, record a rough loom and hope somebody rewatches it, or say, I'll document this later, and I never do. So today I'm going to show you how to turn any workflow into a polished, productized guide in about 60 seconds using Glitter AI. And it completely removes friction from documentation. Let's say I want to document how I qualify inbound brand deals, publish a newsletter to Beehive, build a landing page in our website builder, or set up an AI agent workflow. Normally that means do the task, record it, rewatch it, take screenshots, write step-by-step instructions, format it nicely, add annotations, and then export it somewhere. That's 1 to 2 hours minimum. So instead, we end up just not doing it, which means delegation is harder, training takes longer, clients ask repeat questions, and processes live in your head. That does not scale. Here's what Glitter AI does to help combat this. You hit record, you do the task once, and talk through it naturally. And Glitter AI captures every click, takes screenshots automatically, transcribes your voice, and turns everything into a fully formatted step-by-step guide with annotated screenshots in seconds, with zero rewriting, no screenshot tools, and no formatting in Notion or Google Docs. It works as a Chrome, Edge, or Arc extension, or as a desktop app for Mac and Windows. It also allows you to upload existing videos and turn those into structured guides, which is wild. Okay, so now let's document something real. I'm going to document my YouTube publishing workflow. Every time I upload a video, I have to write the title, I have to add a description with affiliate links, add tags, upload the thumbnail, add chapters, set monetization, schedule the post, and then share it to our newsletter and Twitter account. It's super repetitive, and if I ever have to delegate this, I normally would have to record a loom, pause it, rewatch, write the steps, take screenshots, and clean everything up. Instead, I hit record in Glitter AI. Now I just go through the process like I normally would. I'm narrating out loud. Here's where I write the title. This is how I structure the description. I always put affiliate links here, and this is how I optimize tags. I'm not thinking about documentation. I'm just doing the task once. Now I stop recording and look at this. Glitter AI has already structured everything into clear steps, captured annotated screenshots, transcribed my voice into clean instructions, and formatted the entire workflow into a polished guide. These aren't some messy notes that I quickly shared over Slack. This is a professional, shareable SOP. Now here is where it becomes powerful. Inside of Glitter AI, I can crop screenshots, I can blur sensitive data, I can reorder steps, add callouts, annotate sections, and clean up wording, all without exporting to another tool. Now this doesn't just documentation, this is an asset. I can send it to a VA, I can send it to a client, I can add it to onboarding, package it as part of a service, or turn it into a paid resource. You're not just documenting, you're productizing your thinking. Now, distribution is where most tools fall apart. Glitter AI lets you export it to a PDF, export to HTML, export to Markdown, export to Word, or embed directly into Notion, Confluence, Google Docs, Zendesk, SharePoint, and 100 more platforms. You can also share a private or public link and translate the guide into 99 languages with one click. So if you work with global teams, done. No rewriting, no hiring translators. Now here's the biggest change from your normal workflow. Most founders think I need to build more content. What you actually need is to turn what you already have into reliable systems. Every workflow you run is intellectual property. Glitter AI just makes it effortless to convert that into SOPs, training guides, help docs, onboarding assets, or even monetizable resources. So if you're building a startup, running an agency, or trying to scale without hiring too fast, start recording your workflows, turn them into assets, and let Glitter AI handle the documentation for you. I'll put the link for you to try in the description below. Try recording one process this week. you'll immediately see how much time you've been wasting rewriting things manually. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the Make or Thrive channel. We post new tools and tutorials over them every single week. See you in the next one.